Hi guys, I hope you're good since last video. GPT-4 Omni. I just got it, I'm gonna try it. But just before I wanna talk about Check Our Houses, this website sponsoring our video. So you can here show different products in your social media and get rewarded, which is interesting, and also you can have access to the different AI tools if you have access to the GPT store of OpenAI. So get your social media community know about Check Our Houses collections and get rewarded. So it's on the non-affiliate products that you like, and your followers, you just show it and they'll be able to purchase, and you get a percentage of it. It's a third party taking care of that, and they also have the GPTs available. You just tap Chikara into the GPT store and you get access to all those GPTs. Alright, so GPT-4 is the big event of the day. So I was waiting for it to be activated on my account. The API, it's available. But here I'm going to try what everyone will be able to try, which is the free version of it that they will have. But me, I have a subscription, so we will see how the subscription page look like. Spring updates, introduction, GPT-4 and making more capabilities available for free in ChatGPT. So we will see what are the advantages of having the subscription now, because this is free. So maybe getting it to answer a bit quicker, or being able to do more, with less rate limiting. So here, just check out the page for business, research. So this is just the OpenAI page we're going through. I'm not going to fast forward any part of this video, it's a short video just to see how it works. What I know is that during the demonstration they were using the vocal option, but it's not available yet, because I checked and I don't see any vocal option. Same for the API. There's no vocal option, and that's the vocal option which is amazing. And also the ability to see the details in the screenshots of the live video. So here we are in the interface. Just gonna start. You see on the top left we have ChatGPT-4 Omni activated, and we're just gonna ask, hi there, what can you exactly do? And when is your knowledge cutoff date? So in the API it says October 2023, but here it's the cutoff is May 2023. Answering question, writing assistant, coding help, language translation, education support. I think for education also it's going to be amazing, this new GPT. Creative projects, technical guidance. So technical guidance also. So while you're working, having this on the side would be a great help. Browsing and research. Okay. I just want to know, it has browsing and research, but can you watch YouTube videos? I don't have the ability to watch YouTube videos or directly view content from the internet. However, I can help you with information and answer questions about the content of a video. So as usual, do you have any sort of desktop app? Because during the demonstration they were using a desktop application, which I found amazing. I checked the website, but I haven't found any desktop application available. only on the phone we get this application. So, but for the desktop I haven't seen it yet. So do you have any sort of desktop application version? As I've seen in the OpenAI demonstration that they are using desktop apps, using voice control and Control V to share, to make screenshots and share with the S and share with you for analysis and directions. Yes, OpenAI has released a desktop application for ChatGPT which includes additional features such as voice control and everything, but I haven't seen it. So after it gives the details of it, yes, this answer is better, but I haven't found it. I think now it's just making up those answers. This is not true. Because I checked before. I'm just going to copy this part. Give me the link for that, please. I'm just asking to find the link, but I didn't get the link actually. Just two OpenAI and OpenAI GPT links. I just the landing page of OpenAI. But typing on Google, I could find it. After that, I could find a link for the download. But this is just the landing page, as you can see. Just normal page. Get answer, inspiration, and everything. And this is the link I found through Google. Download ChatGPT, but it's just the application that we have on the phone. So the desktop application is not yet available. Are you sure that the desktop application is available? As I see in this page that it says available soon. So we have in the first break. So the application is not yet available. The voice control is not yet available. Ask it just to make an image. What is amazing is how quick you get the answers. So the image also has been made pretty quickly, almost instantly. What is amazing. I hope that it's gonna last. They're not gonna start to rate limit that. Because what I like about, for example, Grok is that it is quick to answer and to get output. So this is very important feature. Yes, it looks like my hometown spring evening. Amazing. So now I'm gonna go into what we want to check in this video. Can you analyze charts of S&P 500? Because I believe this is going to be amazing for people who are doing day trading or who are just investing in stocks in general, to have a support analyst on the side. Okay, here's an analysis. So we got a first analysis of the S&P 500 mini futures. So futures regulated, which is nice. Trading around, okay. Technical indicators, moving average. So this is from TradingView and Yahoo Finance. You can see the references, oscillators. It's okay, it says that is just balance, pivots. You can read the details, but we just skim reading very quick. Okay, Federal Reserve. So market sentiment cautiously optimistic. The volume open interest. The market currently stable with no extreme bullish and bearish pressure. Nasdaq. Okay, forward-looking perspective, looking ahead. Okay, this is just an analysis that GPT can have. I'm just going to open a trading platform just to look at the S&P 500. We're going to take a screenshot. So this is the live market at the moment. It's 4 a.m. Okay, now I'm going to send this and ask, this is how it looks now. Okay, just give it and say, this is how it looks now, and see what it's going to say. Which detail it's going to be able to pick up from a screenshot, random, just taken like that. Time frame, 5 minutes. Yes, this is true. The view up. He has identified the view up. So he could read the very, very small prints. The EMAs, 9, 14, and 35. Here there's a little mistake. The 35 is not an EMA, it's a weighted moving average. But still, it could identify those moving averages. Weighted moving averages 50, 100, and 200. So normally it should be the 35 in also. So we can read the small print. That's amazing. You could see those details. The blue and the green line. So it will just give us the colors, showing us that you can do that. The volume spikes noticeably around 10 p.m. So 10 p.m. Greenwich time, so European time. So just 1 hour before market close. The prices, okay, this is rounded prices, so there's no details, it's just rounded. So there's nothing behind, there's no ticks. Just give it the point time, 47.75. It just say 47, it's very close. Increase in volume. So it gives us some strategies, which is really good. And those are the links that I got from it. Okay. I hope that you like this video. This is just was to see the first touch with this new AI model. So I can't wait to get those vocal features and the additional features like the application on desktop. After that, I think the world is going to change for me because it gives us the view of how work is going to be in the future. So having those assistants, agents on the side, and using their abilities to support our daily tasks. Okay, I hope that you like this video. You can discuss it in the comment section with nice comments. Alright, see you next time.